Rough terrain forklifts are powerful machines, but operating them on uneven ground comes with serious risks. Are you prepared to handle them safely and efficiently? Introducing the Rough Terrain Forklift Safety online course from OSHA Online Center. In just 23 minutes, this course provides essential training to help you operate forklifts safely, prevent accidents, and comply with OSHA standards. In this course, you'll learn how to properly inspect, operate, and maneuver rough terrain forklifts while ensuring maximum safety on uneven job sites. Pre-operation inspection. Learn how to check tires, brakes, hydraulics, and stability controls before using the forklift. Safe load handling. Understand proper load balancing, lifting, and transportation techniques to prevent tip-overs. Navigating rough terrain. Master techniques for driving on slopes, inclines, and uneven surfaces while maintaining stability. Emergency procedures. Learn what to do in case of equipment failure, loss of control, or an unexpected hazard. Operating a forklift in rough conditions requires skill and awareness. This course teaches you how to navigate inclines, avoid obstructions, and keep your forklift stable even in challenging environments. Emergencies can happen anytime. You'll learn how to handle unexpected hazards, perform shutdown procedures, and ensure safety for yourself and your team. Upon completing the course, you'll earn an OSHA-compliant certificate, proving your knowledge in rough terrain forklift safety and your commitment to workplace safety. Sign up today by clicking the link in the description and gain the knowledge to operate forklifts safely. Enroll now with OSHA Online Center.